This video will cover how parts from the steering, the drive, and the inner structural members will be combined for manufacturing from a single plate. This is one of the 4 plate arrangements that is used to manufacture the various parts. In this case, you can see on the outside here, there are 6 isolator mounts. There's inner and outer ring components. There is the weapons mount platform. These are the planetary holders, the dual motor drive mounts, and the vertical shear structures for the inner hex. The second plate is much like the first plate, except that one of the inner motor mounts is moved, and instead a battery tray is installed at this location along with the 3 tabs for mounting the battery tray. The third plate is very different. In this case, there are some pieces of the outer ring as well as the outer ring mount for the motors and gearing. The inner lower ring, the mirror image pieces. In this case, there are wheel ends. There's 2 that are for mounting to the output of the chain planetary, and there's 1 for the other side of the wheel. There are 3 tabs, and there is a mount here that is a soft jaw for my lathe that allows me to assemble the inner ring, mount it to the lathe, and then put a groove in it that should lock the inner and outer rings together. The last plate is similar to the third plate, except that I've swapped out one of the wheel types so that when you make one of plate 3 and one of plate 4, that has enough parts to make 3 wheels. I've replaced the tabs with the 2 more soft jaws, and that will allow me to complete the set. This represents most of the pieces I will need to start manufacturing the vehicle.